In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your cash account on Robinhood and how to link Robinhood to your Cash app. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on your profile icon and go to the Transfers or Banking section. Here you'll be able to view your Robinhood Cash account details, including your routing number and account number. Next, open Cash app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Linked Banks and choose the option to link a bank account manually. Enter the routing number and account number from your Robinhood Cash account carefully. Once the information is added, Cash app may send small verification deposits or ask you to confirm the account details. After verification is completed, your Robinhood Cash account will be linked to Cash app. You can now transfer money between Robinhood and Cash app using your linked bank account connection. This allows you to move funds more easily for investing, spending, or withdrawing money. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.